Okay, let's go for the second test. What is that? Oh, second test. I add this new feature into the monitor. So this is my cell phone. For sometimes people ask, so this is my cell phone. This is the app that I am creating that connects to the motorcycle, the Talaria Komodo, and reads the data and then shows or display it on the app. So I create this feature, which is the race, but it can be used for enduro as well. So my go into this track, start mapping this and see how it goes into the end. It maps on the fly. A dog there. I'm the eco mode, 47 kilometers. I'll just do a loop and then let's see how it goes. Yeah. Okay, I will return from here. To the same point, and I hope we can see it's tracking the race as we go. Very accurate. Can be used for enduro as well. It has a speed tracking as well. You see 47, and that's how it goes with eco. I'm almost there. Oh my god, same person. A car goes low. And I will stop here. Then I'll stop and let's see the 3D view for this. How cool is that, huh? How cool is that? Speed, average speed. How cool is that, huh? It's time to get back to the work. So I consider that the features succeed. Now I will show you my garage. See where I work with this feature. A lot of bikes here, so I need to do something more today. The features succeed. Next feature that I'm gonna do, maybe it's a login, so that will allow me to share the app with everybody. So I'll show you the device now. So first version of the device, now I have 3 versions. So the first version, I need these 2 boxes. In the second version is in here. I'll show you real quick. Yeah, so that's the second version of the prototype, and that's much smaller. I connect to this cable. I'm gonna show you inside. I have a couple things inside. I had some sensors that allow me to monitor the bike, monitor the app, monitor everything. So as you can see now, it's much smaller than that one. So I have one temperature sensor inside it because that thing was getting hot a lot, and I started to monitor that as well. So yeah, so really small. It goes under the seat like this, and the final version will be something smaller than this. I think it will be something around this. So let me know in the comments how you feel about this, if you enjoy this. I'm so excited that I'm working on this, to be honest, and then I'll share with everybody, have you guys in the future, the app and the device, so you guys can plug and play on your bike and go riding. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what kind of features you would like to see on this bike as well. Cool, appreciate that. Thanks.